I'm Mary Evelyn McKee, and I am the interior designer for the Flower Showhouse for 2021 in historic Briarfield, Alabama. Let me show you around. I'm sitting in the gallery now. It's a wonderful light-filled space with 3 French doors that let out onto a covered porch. It's a long, narrow space, so it was a challenge designing the seating group here. This is one of my favorite fabrics in the whole house. It's this wonderful, lively cotton from Suzanne Reinstein from Kravic called Indian Zag. And this is the madder colorway, which is just so rich and warm. We use this on the Provence chair from Hickory Chair. This is the truffle finish of this particular chair. It has a wood frame and a natural rush back and seat. We have the Bronwyn rock lamps, natural rock from Curry & Company, on this extraordinary library table, which is an antique piece that Margot selected. Behind me is the Hickory Chair Circles table, a beautiful narrow console table that fits so perfectly by the front door. It was done in the Venetian blue colorway. They did a special mix for us. We took the gold out because we didn't need the gold in the farmhouse. But that's a perfect example of the kind of customization that Hickory Chair offers and does so beautifully. On the console table is a Rowan black table lamp from Curry & Company. We have the farmhouse made to measure love seat. The love seat was originally ordered and then decided it might be a little bit snug, so we shortened it to 42 inches, which was a good decision. I think it feels good with good clearance, and the woven fabric used on it and nail head again adds so much texture and lively color at that end of the gallery. The Ray Booth carriage table makes a perfect side table for putting a drink down or a book and a cozy corner in the gallery.